not know that about a year ago, or a little bit over a year ago, I actually got a full head of balayage highlights, and they turned out so great. It was this really beautiful caramel color, and throughout, you know, from last year up until now, I have not touched up my hair at all, and the color indeed faded quite a bit. If you guys look at some of my other videos, you can see the color just faded to like kind of like a dusty dark blonde, and the nice caramel color was all faded out. So I was looking for a way to refresh my highlights in the comfort of my own home without having to damage my hair or add any more bleach. And I was really adamant about adding something that was natural, non-permanent, and easy. Is the key word, is easy. Madison Reed was kind enough to reach out to me and to send me some amazing products for me to test out. If you guys don't know or haven't heard about Madison Reed, they are a hair care and hair color company that is really focused on ingredients and using natural and safe ingredients for your hair that are non-damaging and that really bring out the life and beauty of your own hair. One of the products that they sent to me was specifically what I was looking for, and it is the Madison Reed Color Reviving Gloss. This is in the color Miele, or Miele, or Miele if you speak Spanish. And Miele is honey gold tones that add rich golden color to brunette hair, which is exactly what I was looking for. I wasn't looking for anything that was going to take away my highlights or completely saturate them with color. So this is just a gloss, and I'll read on the back right here. It says, Miele adds the deep rich color of honey to brunette hair, infused with keratin, argan oil, and ginseng extract to gently condition and add healthy shine to natural or color treated hair. So it's perfect, and it did just that. I will show you guys the demo in a second, but I do have to say that compared to my hair previously and to my hair now, it is a little bit darker, but it's more so the richness of the color makes it appear darker, and it added a lot of warmth to the old highlights and a lot of depth and richness. So I do have to say that this product definitely does exactly what it says. The instructions say to leave hair dry, brush to remove styling products, apply to roots and massage down to ends, comb to distribute evenly, and set timer for 35 minutes. Rinse until water runs clear and wash hair. I did almost that. I actually didn't brush out my hair because my hair's curly, so that was just not gonna work out. I ended up just doing it on my hair curly, and instead of applying it from my roots to my tips, I only focused on my highlighted areas because that's where I pretty much just wanted the color to be deposited, because that's where my previous highlights have faded and just became really dull, and it just, that's where I wanted the product to be. I've already used this once before. This is my second time using this, and actually this bottle only gives you 2 uses. Like I said, I was testing this out to make sure that I really liked it, because I'm not going to talk about products that I don't like. So this was my second time using it, and it was just like amazing. Actually, even better the second time around, because the first time around, I think my hair just like soaked up all of that color and it faded kind of quickly. This second time, I feel like my hair took the gloss a little bit better. So this is really, really good. I also washed it out with the Madison Reed Color Protecting Shampoo and conditioned with the Color Protecting Conditioner. Really, really nice. All these products smell really, really good, really natural, kind of like, they have like an herbal scent, and it's really nice. Conditioner has keratin and even like UV filters in the conditioner, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you guys my hair so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's the color right there. So my hair has so much richness to it now. It's really, really pretty. And again, this does fade. The Color Reviving Gloss is not a permanent hair color. This will fade in a few weeks. I believe it only lasts like about like 4 weeks, or like a certain amount of washes. So it will eventually fade back to your original color, and it is solely meant to just add a little bit of color to old highlights or even to natural hair to enhance your natural tones, and it does fade away with time. So if you're like me and you were too broke to get new highlights, but you didn't want to say goodbye to your old highlights, the Color Reviving Gloss is perfect for you because it'll just liven up your highlights and just, you know, make them really beautiful and shiny and just really cute. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I will have the links in the description box down below. And nothing else, this video is not sponsored at all. Madison was just kind enough to send me these products to test out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will go ahead and show you the demo. Thank you once again for tuning in. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That really helps me a lot. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, starting off with a t-shirt I turned inside out. I am going to let down my hair, and as you guys can see, my highlights are super faded and just very, very dull. So I'm gonna split my hair down the middle, and this is how I'm gonna be applying the product. I'm going to be doing it in sections. So I'm going to put one side up and then split the other side into two sections, and then putting the top section onto the other side. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of the gloss. And as you guys can see, the texture is a little bit sticky, kind of like in between like a honey type texture and a cream. That's the best way that I can like describe it. So I'm gonna apply that to the ends of my hair. Pretty much anywhere that I have highlights, that's where I'm gonna be saturating this product, focusing on the ends and the mid-lengths. You have to be pretty generous with this gloss because you really want the product to penetrate the hair, especially if you're trying to revive old highlights like I am. So taking the other side, I'm going to do the exact same thing, taking a generous amount of the gloss and then applying it to the highlights. Taking a bit more, and I'm going to apply it to both sections together. Now that that side is done, I'm going to start to work on the other side, doing the exact same thing, applying a generous amount on the bottom section and just going in. Now this Madison Reed gloss is really supposed to be for 2 uses, so that's why you see me being very generous. So I'm going to unclip the other side and then finish off what I have left in the bottle. Like I said earlier in the video, I had already used this prior, so this is my second time using it, and I'm just going to use up the rest of the contents in the bottle. Really focus on those ends and really work that product into the hair so there isn't any highlight that is left out. And I'm using up the last bit of gloss and applying that onto my hair. It's gone. So working that into the hair, really massaging it in. As you guys can see, I'm like really working in that product. Then putting everything back into a clip, and I'm going to wash my hands. This was quite messy. I got some on my face and all over my t-shirt, so it's important to use an old t-shirt. Now I'm gonna get my phone and set the timer to 35 minutes and then wait. So I proceeded to do my usual curly hair routine, and these are my results.